And right over here, as you can see, this is a brand new Honda Civic Type R FL5 that is in for exhaust upgrade. So this is basically the first FL5 that we have in our shop, and the car is going to receive a set of this beautiful AWE Touring Catback exhaust system upgrade. And now, before we begin the installation of the AWE exhaust, let's do a sound check. Listen to how does the original exhaust system on the FL5 sounds like. It's actually quite quiet. It doesn't sound sporty at all, and that's why the owner sent his car in for an exhaust upgrade. And this is the owner's third car with us for an exhaust upgrade. Previously, he has the 911 Carrera that upgraded the Quicksilver exhaust with us, and also he has a GR86 with the AWE exhaust done by us, and today his FL5. Okay, today for the FL5, we are going to install the AWE Touring Catback exhaust system, and this is the original exhaust system from the FL5 that we dismantled out. Also included the front pipes. So this is basically how it looks like. After the front pipes, you have this mini resonator, then to the middle, another resonator, slightly larger and also bigger. Then to the rear section, this is how the original exhaust on the FL5 looks like. You have two muffler boxes on both left and right side. As you may know, the FL5, it has a 3 tips layout. So on the middle, you do have this small little muffler box alongside with the valves control function. So when the valves are open, basically the exhaust, it flows directly, exits from the middle tips. When it's closed, of course, it goes through these 2 muffler boxes. But from what I heard and tested, even with the valves open, it doesn't really make a huge difference with this original exhaust system, and that's why the owner, he actually wanted something louder, something that is definitely a lot more aggressive and sporty than this original exhaust system for his FL5. And so he come to us for the AWE Touring Catback exhaust system. On his GR86, he also has the AWE Touring Catback, and now his FL5 getting the same AWE exhaust. A little bit of information on the AWE exhaust. So here, this is how the front pipe looks like with a flexible joint right over here to replace the original front pipe. Then further down, there is this resonator because this is the touring version, so definitely you have the resonator. And on the middle, right over here, as you can see, the AWE system actually deletes the larger resonator like the one on the original system, so it gives the car more tone, more noise with the AWE exhaust. And finally, to the rear section, this is the AWE touring muffler. So of course, with AWE's patented 180 technology, with this exhaust installed, guarantee that you do not get any drone inside the cabin. This is their patented technology, only available with AWE. And to the end, you do have a triple tips layout as well. But on the original system, if you look closely, the 3 tips, they are actually in different sizes. The one on the left and right side, they are smaller, and the one on the middle is slightly larger. But with the AWE system, you get all 3 tips in the same size, and also the owner, he opted to go with the diamond black exhaust tips, which looks really nice. You have the AWE logo crafted on the tips. One of the key features of the AWE system is that the pipe diameter. The AWE system measures at 3 inch from the front all the way to the back, and on the factory system, it shows that it's actually 2.5 inch from the front to the back. So definitely with the AWE 3 inch system, you get more sound, more power, the car, it will feel more responsive. And right over here, these are the bunch of accessories that is required to mount on the AWE system. Also, you do have this brand new gaskets for the exhaust, and also this, the valve delete module. Because the original exhaust, it does have the electric valve actuators. So if we unplug this, it will trigger a check engine light, and that's why AWE. They have included this little dongle right over here for us to plug into the harness for the exhaust valve so that it doesn't trigger any check engine light. The AWE system is a fully plug and play system. There's no any modifications needed. So that's all for the product explanation part. Now we'll get back to work to install the AWE system onto the FL5, and later, of course, we'll do a sound check. Listen to how does this touring catback system sounds like on the FL5 Civic Type R. And I'm also quite interested to find out how this actually sounds like, because this is actually the very first FL5 in our shop for the AWE exhaust. We will also bring the car out for a test drive to listen how it performs driving on the road. Installed the AWE touring catback exhaust system on our client's Honda Civic FL5 Type R, and now this car sounds amazing. It has the sporty and aggressive exhaust tone, but there's no any drone inside the cabin thanks to AWE's patented 180 technology. You can have a very comfortable yet sporty driving experience with the touring exhaust. And this Civic Type R, for now, it does not have any modes yet. Basically, it's a bone stock Civic Type R, except we have already installed the AWE touring catback exhaust. Down the road, for sure, our client, he has more plans on the car. Probably will change the downpipes, the intakes, and also the car probably will go for a stage 2 ECU tune. So stay tuned to our channel for more modes on this Civic Type R. So let us know in the comment sections below, what do you think about the AWE touring catback exhaust system for the Civic Type R? And if you are driving the FL5 or even the FK8, yes, AWE do have exhaust system for the FK8 as well. If you enjoy our content, like and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting contents in the future.